I'm going to attempt to assemble the Adabox 2, or the yellow Adabox little robot. Let's see what happens. There are a few videos up there online that do this, but they're so sped up, I thought I'd give it a try and see if there's a way to make it a little bit easier for people to follow. Alright, so what we're getting is the little tires there, and there's another 2 screws in here. I'm guessing you'll need them later. I'm not sure if there's an actual user manual that teaches you how to do this, but you basically just need to slide these in and pull them into place. Not the easiest of tasks. Try to be gentle because you could break these. I mean, tires are pretty flexible, but I want to try to go gently around all the way. Alright. Feels like they're pretty good quality. Let's see what we got here. Got a bunch of parts in here. 3 levels of chassis French. Get that out of the way. They look like they are all the same, seem to match. So I am guessing, since I couldn't find any proper tutorials on this, that it doesn't matter how you assemble these, since they're all the same. I mean, it matters that you assemble them on top of each other, but hopefully it doesn't matter if they are in which order you connect things up to them. Alright, so these are the motors. Pretty self-explanatory. Again, I'm not sure whether the cables will need to go inside or outside, what's going to be better. But what's obvious is that these go in there like so, and then there's screws. So we'll just go with the cables being inside for now, but maybe that's not ideal. Well, we'll see. Let me just take that out first. I know that we need to put these things on. I don't know if what they call them, brackets or. There's a little thing there. So maybe this will go like that. There's a lot of guesswork since it's not exactly a perfect science. When you don't have step-by-step instructions that come with the machine. Right, so it would seem that you'd want to put these through here somehow. And there. And then screw them on. Alright, I'm going to stop the video here and continue on in the next one. Make sure everything is working out correctly, but so far, this is step 1.